Welcome to Newsmakers. My name is Sean Smith. I'm the Assistant Director of Community Relations for Chesterfield County Public Schools. Joining us today, Cathy, Surowka, and Reese, Gordy. It's great to have you both with us.
Thanks.
For your viewers out there, Cathy, you are the Teacher Consultant for Science.
Correct.
And Reese, you're a Science Teacher at Manchester High School. A lot of ground to cover, obviously, in this segment. Reese, start us off a little bit about STEAM. Talk to us about what it stands for, but also about some of the events that are available for our students.
Okay, STEAM is an acronym. It stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Mathematics, with the idea of it being all interconnected. There are 2 events available depending on grade level. For secondary students, we have the STEAM Expo, which is at the Chesterfield Technical Center on Hall Street, and that takes place on March 21st. And for elementary students, we have STEAM Mania, which is at the Science Museum of Virginia, and that is on May the 9th.
And with those events, Cathy, from an attendee perspective, what can they expect?
Well, first of all, the attendees will see lots of excitement, lots of enthusiastic students, highly engaged in activities. They'll see school teams competing in challenges, engineering challenges, and also minute-to-win events. They will also see a lot of our student projects on display, including project-based learning projects and projects around physical science, environmental, and earth science, and also innovations. And career connections as well. STEAM professionals will be interacting with our students about how STEAM is a part of their career.
And Reese, obviously with this, talk to us about the difference between the challenges, obviously, and then also the projects and displays.
Okay, the project and displays are student work that will be displayed and they will be judged. They know the rubric in advance, and then the students will have an opportunity to showcase their projects and talk about them. The challenges, it's divided up into 2 segments. There are more extensive challenges. There's a science technology challenge, for instance. These are more involved, where students are given a scenario. They have to work as a group, as a team, to plan, to try to figure out. They're given limited supplies. And then they implement their project, and then they also have a rubric to see how well they did. And then there's a minute-to-win-it challenge, which is very similar to the television show, where students have different challenges that they have literally a minute to complete.
Now, always a key question in a challenge like that is how and by whom are they judged?
Well, actually, the minute to win it, it's a criteria and it's a timer. And we have some high school teachers that help coordinate that, as well as some volunteer high school students that they are invaluable, and they help with the timing and the cheerleading of the event, if you will. And the projects themselves, they are judged by educators that have experience in that particular field, like the music, the art, mathematics background, science background, engineering.
And Reese, with these programs, obviously it's a big impact in the educational environment. Talk to us about kind of what impact we are seeing with STEAM.
Students are being exposed to a number of different things. For instance, one is working in groups, and that's the way the world works. Another thing that this enables students to do is problem solve. Project-based learning is a big initiative, and that's really what STEAM and these challenges and these projects are centered around.
We thank you so much for being here. On our screen, there's probably been flashing up some more information for viewers that are out there, and thanks for all that you're doing out there as well.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks to our viewers. Please join us next time. More about Chesterfield County Public Schools.